Now to first alert weather, and we have some rain pushing in.
Oh, we do. So we're keeping an eye. There's a few showers around right now, really light, nothing too concerning. But off to the west, we have some thunderstorms that are now rolling through central and western Kansas, moving out of eastern Colorado. That energy, that moisture, that's what heads in overnight and for a day tomorrow. So with that in mind, tomorrow it's an impact day, and we're monitoring for heavy rain mainly in the morning. So mainly between about 3 a.m. and noon. Then as we go through the second half of the day, we're going to continue to have some off and on showers, but we gradually dry things out the later in the day that we go. So let's get right to First Alert Live radar. And I mentioned there are a few light showers out there, so if you do have to head out this evening, you might just have to run the wipers a few times here and there. But in general, all the action is off to our west, and it's going to take some hours for that to get here. So as we look at FutureScan, going through the next 4 or 5 hours are relatively quiet, but by 3 a.m., here comes that next round of rain. And there might be a few embedded thunderstorms, nothing severe, but that thunder could wake you up tonight. And we'll keep the rain and some storms around heading towards our morning commute time. So here's 7 a.m., kind of a wet drive. So I would plan on that, plan on some extra time heading out the door. We'll keep that rain going through lunchtime. Now you're looking at 1 p.m., still a decent amount of rain around. Then as we get closer to around 3 or 4 in the afternoon, that rain really starts to taper off. There still might be some light sprinkles, kind of like we're seeing right now. But in general, the heaviest of that rain should wrap up by about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. So how much rain can we pick up? Where you see the yellow, we're talking about at least an inch of rain potential. So this includes the metro, and some spots could pick up upwards of 2 inches of rain, possibly a little more than that. So there is a potential of some areas of flooding, which we'll be watching for closely heading through the morning tomorrow. So just keep that in mind if you live near a flood-prone area or areas where you know water just accumulates on the road. Just extra time in the morning through lunchtime. Your 9-day forecast shows with the rain, it's going to be another cool day tomorrow. So we were in the 70s today. Another day in the 70s tomorrow. Rain through the morning, lingering showers through about 4 p.m. After that, we drop that weather impact as we're looking relatively dry heading into your Friday evening. Saturday, we'll have clouds in the morning, but then quickly that sun comes out in the afternoon. And with the rain that we're going to get, a lot of that moisture being drawn up into the air. So it will be really humid on Saturday. And that's why, even though our high is 91, our heat index will get into the triple digits. So Saturday's now an impact day. Plan around the heat Saturday afternoon. Sunday and Monday, those are alert days. So our heat index could be pushing as high as 110. Notice the actual highs, middle, potentially some upper 90s. Then storm chances start to creep in on Tuesday. Tuesday's an impact day. Still as that heat index will be in that 100 to 105 range. And we'll have daily storm chances Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. So rain, some thunderstorms tonight. Then our next change rolls in this weekend as that higher heat approaches. And that's why we have some impact days for you starting on Saturday, alert days Sunday and Monday, and then another impact day on Tuesday because of that high heat and humidity. And the worst of it, that comes on Sunday and Monday. The hottest of the season, right back up in those mid to upper 90s. The heat index could be up near 110. So with that in mind, the reason we make those alert days is that there will be that increased risk for heat illness for yourself and your pets.